Are you struggling with weak, cracked roads that need constant repair? What if there was a solution that could save you time, money, and hassle? Roads and pavements are constantly exposed to stress, but frequent repairs drain resources, delay traffic, and create long-term costs. Enter Uniaxial Geogrid, a game-changing solution in road reinforcement. By providing additional strength and stability to the soil, Uniaxial Geogrids dramatically improve the performance of pavements and roads. Even in the toughest conditions, Uniaxial Geogrid acts as a reinforcement layer that increases load-bearing capacity. It prevents deformation, reduces settlement, and extends the lifespan of your pavements, saving you from costly and frequent repairs. With Uniaxial Geogrid, you're not only reinforcing your roads, but also enhancing construction speed and efficiency, fewer repairs, longer-lasting roads, and more savings. What's not to love? Ready to take your road projects to the next level? Invest in Uniaxial Geogrid today and enjoy stronger, more durable pavements. Click the link to learn more and get started. Uniaxial Geogrid, force your roads the right way.